KASPA, KS, price prediction, a market that refuses to stay quiet. Across different crypto communities, from traders in the United States to long-term holders in Europe and Asia, one name continues to appear in discussions with growing curiosity: KASPA. It is not shouting like meme coins, and it is not begging for attention like over-marketed projects. Instead, KASPA is moving with a quiet confidence, letting its technology and market behavior do the talking. So the question many investors are asking today is simple but powerful: where is the price of KASPA heading next? This analysis explores KASPA's price outlook using market structure, sentiment, technology, and real-world investor behavior, without hype, but with clarity. Understanding KASPA's market position. KASPA operates on a block DAG architecture, a design that allows blocks to be created and confirmed faster than traditional blockchains. This technical advantage has helped KASPA gain a reputation as a high-performance proof-of-work network. From a market perspective, KASPA sits in an interesting zone. It is no longer an unknown project, but it is not yet fully priced like a top-tier coin. This middle position is where price expansion often begins. KASPA's historical price movements show a pattern of long consolidation followed by sudden momentum. When volume enters the market, KASPA tends to move quickly, catching late traders off guard. Short-term price. Outlook: caution meets opportunity. In the short term, KASPA's price behavior is strongly influenced by overall crypto market sentiment. Bitcoin's direction trading volume around key support zones. When the broader market slows down, KASPA often pulls back gently rather than crashing aggressively. This suggests that many holders are not panic sellers, they are waiting. From a technical viewpoint, KASPA has repeatedly shown respect for support zones, bouncing back after minor corrections. These pullbacks are often interpreted by experienced traders as accumulation phases, not weakness. Short-term prediction: KASPA may continue moving sideways with controlled volatility, building pressure for its next directional move. Sharp drops are less likely unless the entire crypto market experiences heavy fear. Mid-term price. Prediction: momentum builds. Quietly. This is where KASPA starts to become interesting. In the midterm, price action is no longer driven only by charts, it is driven by narrative. KASPA's narrative revolves around scalability without sacrificing decentralization, proof-of-work relevance in a modern crypto era, strong developer consistency. As more investors look for alternatives beyond saturated Layer 1 networks, KASPA naturally enters the conversation. This growing awareness often translates into steady demand rather than explosive pumps, which is healthier for long-term price growth. Market psychology plays a key role here. When traders realize they have underestimated an asset, they tend to re-enter aggressively, but only after price confirmation. Midterm prediction: KASPA has the potential to revisit previous highs and attempt a structured breakout, provided volume continues to rise organically. Long-term price vision, where KASPA could truly shine. Long-term price prediction is less about charts and more about survival and relevance. KASPA's strengths lie in a transparent mining structure, fair launch reputation, strong community belief, real technical innovation, not marketing tricks. In crypto history, projects with these qualities often outperform expectations over time, even if they move slowly at first. As institutional interest gradually shifts towards scalable and energy-efficient proof-of-work systems, KASPA stands in a favorable position. Long-term investors are not chasing daily candles, they are positioning early. If KASPA continues development without dilution of its core values, price appreciation over the long run becomes a matter of when, not if. Long-term prediction: KASPA has the potential to grow into a well-recognized infrastructure coin with price levels that surprise those who ignored it early. Investor sentiment: what the crowd is really doing. One of the strongest indicators in KASPA's market is holder behavior. Instead of rapid in-and-out trading, KASPA shows signs of wallet accumulation, reduced panic selling, increasing long-term conviction. This behavior often precedes major price expansions. When supply tightens and demand slowly rises, price reacts sharply. Retail investors may still be sleeping, but smart money usually arrives quietly. Risks to consider, because no market is perfect. No price prediction is complete without honesty. KASPA still faces market dependence on Bitcoin, limited exposure compared to mainstream coins, volatility during global crypto uncertainty. However, these risks are not unique to KASPA. They are part of the entire crypto ecosystem. What matters is how a project responds to these challenges, and so far, KASPA has shown resilience rather than weakness. Final thoughts. Is KASPA worth watching? KASPA does not promise overnight riches. Instead, it offers something rarer in crypto: consistency, structure, and patience. Price prediction for KASPA points toward a gradual but meaningful upward trajectory, one built on technology, not noise. For traders, KASPA offers volatility opportunities. For investors, it offers long-term positioning. For observers, it offers a lesson in how strong projects move quietly before the crowd notices. And as history often shows in crypto, the quiet ones rarely stay quiet forever.